I guess I'm gonna start taking all this old shit loose here. The idea really is, what I have with this thing is make something that's can't say maintenance free, but very easy on maintenance by eliminating all the shit that usually goes bad. And of course all the mechanical gauges are going to be gone, replaced by more modern electronic stuff. Not that I need a whole lot anyways. Yeah, this shit's gonna go right in the trash. Don't need it no more. The fucking steering wheel. Of course, that has to be stuck. There we go. That steering cable is trash. There's nothing I can do with it anymore. Yeah, like always, lots of cleaning to do. That's why those little pressure cleaners always come in handy. If it starts, of course. Yeah, sometimes for some reason those pressure cleaners, they tend to work better if you actually put fuel in them. I don't know why, but what the heck. Well, that's good enough. From here on forward, just gonna get more wet. Yep. Yeah, that's what I get for doing shortcuts back then with the fiberglass. So if you do shortcuts, you just do the job twice. That's all there is to it. All muscle work, nothing else. Well, now it's time to, let it dry. And I have to wait till it warms up a little bit so I can start doing our first fiberglass repair work, which is going to be those areas here where it's delaminated. What I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to probably put a whole coat, well, at least one layer of epoxy based fiberglass, cover all these areas, and actually paint it from underneath. I just, not that I see it, but I just don't like that raw fiberglass. It always, retains dirt. But that should be it as far as cleaning with the pressure washer. Lots of sanding too. Shit I really, really love. Yeah, right. And yep. I'll start ripping some of those old panels off here too.